Hey everyone, welcome back to Kuro Gaming. Today we've got an exciting one for you, featuring a powerhouse of a gaming and productivity rig. Without further ado, let's dive right in. First up, the brain of this operation, the Intel 13 Gen Core i7-13700KF. With a whopping 16 cores and 24 threads, clocking up to 5.4 GHz, this CPU is an absolute monster for multitasking and raw processing power. Whether you're gaming or editing 4K videos, this beast has got your back. Now, let's talk about the foundation of our system, the B760M Wi-Fi DDR5 motherboard. It's not just about the compatibility, folks. This motherboard supports the latest DDR5 RAM, ensuring the lightning fast data transfer and future-proofing our build. Speaking of RAM, we've got 32 GB of DDR5 RGB RAM. It's not just about the aesthetics. This memory ensures smooth multitasking and responsiveness. And let's be honest, the RGB lighting adds that extra flair to our setup. Storage is where speed meets capacity. We've got 1 TB Gen4 NVMe M.2 SSD and a blazing fast 2 TB Gen4 NVMe M.2 SSD at a whopping 7300 Mbps for all your games and projects. Say goodbye to load times. Our system needs a home, and it resides in the sleek Fractal design PopXL air tower. It's not just about the looks, the design ensures excellent airflow, keeping our components cool and quiet. Speaking of heat, to keep temperatures in check, we've opted for a 360mm liquid cooler. Efficient cooling means our components can perform at their best, especially when heat is on during intense gaming or rendering sessions. Powering this beast, we have a 750W 80+ gold power supply. It's not just about having enough power, it's about efficiency and reliability. Gold rated for efficiency means our system runs smoothly with minimal heat. Next up, the graphics powerhouse, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti with 8 GB of VRAM. It's ready to tackle the latest games and demanding creative tasks. Ray tracing, DLSS, you name it. This GPU delivers the visual goods. Last but not least, we're running Windows 11 Pro, the heart of our user experience. It's not just about the flashy interface, it's about the compatibility and features that enhance our workflow. And there you have it, our expertly crafted gaming and content creation PC. Each component was chosen with care, balancing power, efficiency, and future-proofing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting builds and tech content. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy gaming.